Hi guys, today we're going to be repressurizing my boiler. First, I'd just like to start by saying that I'm not a boiler expert or an engineer. This is just a tip that one of our engineers shared with me as our pressure kept dropping. So before we pressurize our boiler, it's extremely important that we turn the power off from 1 to 0 on the actual boiler and also switch the power off from the mains and remove the plug as well to be on the safe side. We're going to locate our pressure valve, and our particular valve looks like this. Your valve might look a bit different, so it might be a lever or a tap type of thing that you need to turn, or it might be a key that you need to insert, like I've seen from other videos on YouTube. So in that case, I would watch a different video. But if yours looks exactly like this, then you should find this helpful. I'm going to use a flat screwdriver to help me open the valve, which we're going to do slowly to a 90-degree angle.